7,70,000 people in England are unable to speak in English. Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef in the world. In 2007, Iran arrested 14 squirrels suspected of spying. Chicken tikka masala is considered as the national dish of England. Feathers can weigh more than a bird's skeleton. The bullet that took Abraham Lincoln's life. Smart guns are guns that remain locked until they are in the hands of the rightful owner. Apple seeds contain cyanide. If you chew and eat 200 seeds, you will just die in a minute. World's longest free Wi-Fi network is in Patna, India. It stretches 20 km from Nitpatna to Danapur. Anyone over 14 can drive a VSP car in France without license. Help me reach 1000 subscribers. There is a man who bought a Boeing 727-200 for $100,000 and uses it as his house. Switzerland is the only country which could fit 100% of its population into bunkers in case of emergency. A couple from Australia gets pizza free for 60 years from Domino's after they named their newborn baby Dominic. Galileo's middle finger is on display at a museum in Florence, Italy. Black rice, also known as the forbidden rice, is the one of the most nutritious food in the world. Flame lily flower, national flower of Zimbabwe. Eating breakfast in the morning makes it 10 times easier to burn calories throughout the day. Rabindranath Tagore wrote the national anthem not only for India but also for Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. World's oldest panda, known as the Hero Mother with 153 descendants, dies of multiple organ failure. Amazing makeup skills by the artist Dane Yoon. Only when the last tree has died and the last river been poisoned and the last fish been caught will we realize we cannot eat money. It took 36 years for the archaeologists to make the most accurate model of ancient Rome. If you are ever attacked by a brown bear, play dead. If it's a black bear, punch it in the nose and it will run away. In medieval times, it was common to have 2 sleeps per night. You would fall asleep for 4 to 5 hours, wake up for 2 hours or so and fall back to sleep for another 3 to 4. In 1998, Honduras built a bridge over the Choluteca River, but Hurricane Mitch rerouted it.
Kissing releases oxytocin in the brain.
The dates 4/4, 6/6, 10/10, 12/12 all fall on the same day of the week every year. Thanks for watching.